show you how to make super chewy, really poppy, homemade bubble gum. Oh yeah, baby! Oh! But first, we're gonna need a few things.
We'll be using a gum base, powdered sugar, corn syrup, some mixers, and Jell-O and Kool-Aid.
Okay, let's get ready! The first thing we're going to do is pour 2 tablespoons of gum base into our bowl. Oh yeah! Now we're gonna add some yummy flavor to our gum. I have blue raspberry.
I have strawberry.
And I got green apple. Okay. Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah. Mine smells really good. Okay, let's dump them. Now I'm gonna mix it around.
Oh, that's so cool. It looks exactly like strawberries. Now we're gonna pour on 1 tablespoon of corn syrup and add it to our mix. And then give it a good mix.
You wanna get it all in there and then you wanna mix it around.
Whoa, that's so cool. It looks like Jell-O.
Whoa.
Now that our gum mixture is ready, we're gonna stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds.
Now that your mixture is warmed up, you're gonna wanna keep mixing until everything becomes a yummy, gummy goo.
Whoa. Whoa, guys, look at this. It looks just like slime.
Yeah.
Look at it. The next thing we're going to do is take our mixture and add it with our powdered sugar. Cool! Before we do that, we have a challenge for you guys to subscribe to the channel under 5 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, guys!
You're gonna wanna make a little pile of sugar and then press down in the middle.
Then we're gonna carefully pour in our ingredients.
And then we're gonna mix it in the sugar until it becomes a giant piece of gum.
Whoa!
It looks like a volcano.
Yeah. Look at my volcano.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It's a blueberry volcano.
Now it's time to mix it up. Okay.
Whoa. Mine feels like it's turning into gum, guys.
Look, guys, it stretches.
Yeah.
It looks like edible slime.
It does.
Yeah. Now we're gonna pat it down.
And cut it into little bubbly strips.
Whoa, this looks so cool. I can't wait to try it.
Me neither.
Guys, this gum is awesome! Okay, guys, now we're gonna see who has the biggest bubble. Ready? No! I think I won. She wins. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching our show. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it? I feel F-R-I-N-D